I did a quick dumpster dive yesterday, just heading back from somewhere. Didn't find much of anything other than one thing, and I'm going to take that apart today. Look at this thing. Holy smokes. Look at this fuse. Obviously a big chunk of copper on the end, so I'm going to take this thing apart. I was hoping that these things were going to be copper, but they look like aluminum, but these might be copper. So this is a plastic shell. I figured I'd do a real quickie here, try to get this thing apart, see what we have. If any of it's copper, that would be nice. That's the only thing that's really worth anything anymore. That big old thing. This has got all different kinds of colors. I'm sure it's copper, but looks funky. But what I want to do is get these out, take this apart and see what we got going on here. This is the biggest tool I have here. Oh, it does fit. All right. Well, these aren't even in tight. That's good. I might not even need to take these out at all if I can figure out how to take the whole thing out. Oh, okay, all right. You got these black caps back here, and you can see one of them has a screw in it. All these caps don't come out easy. So we got one of them to come out here. Okay. Yeah, this is definitely aluminum. You can tell it's light. Okay. Oh yeah. Yep, this plate is all copper. And there's 6 of them. So you can see this bracket piece is 0.8 pounds exactly. This copper piece, ½ pound. Alright. It's not bad. Yeah, really. I mean, not a bad find to just peek in there real quick and find that. Battery's going dead. That's some nice aluminum. Is that extruded? I don't know. Probably not. It looks like just a big bar of aluminum. First time I'm using this prick punch that I got a while ago. Just maybe want to... Ah, there we go. Get all these caps out of here. They're just shooting everywhere. Guess I could be a little more careful. Swap them out. Something went flying. Let's see if it was. Must not have been anything important. Nice little find. In there tight. Okay, so for that little tidbit that I found yesterday, we've got 4.8 pounds of aluminum, almost 5 pounds, and then 3 pounds of copper. How about that? I'll take it. I don't know what the coating is on this. That's okay. It's still copper. So that is it, guys. Oh no, it's not it. Hold on. Hold the phone. I'm ready to put a bow on this thing. I haven't even done that yet. My apologies. Let's get after that one. Jeez, what was I thinking? So whenever you go to, I want to hear in the comments section, when you ever go to grab one of these, do you always guess too big or too small? Curious. Because I think I always guess too big. This might be metric. It is. Good old metric. Now there's probably going to be some white powdery stuff in here. I'm going to take this apart. At least that was the case the last time I took some of these apart. But I don't want to cut this. I want to get out as much copper as I can. Oh yeah, look at it all coming out already. Okay, now I'm going to put my gloves on. This says energy efficient dual element time delay class RK5 fuse, which probably means something to somebody out there. It does not mean a darn thing to me. Might as well be speaking in French or something. Nope, forgot one here. Okay, so how are we supposed to get this off of here? Oh man, this stuff is going everywhere. Might take a while. Okay, work smarter, not harder. Just let that drain. Okay, looks like a lot of that has, most of it is drained out. Not dope. Well, if it's gonna do that shit. Okay. The sand is going all over. Let me get that out. So yeah, all this is, these are little copper things, but they're really flimsy. What we got to do is this. Let me see, how do I get it? Oh, of course there's a little copper knobs here. All right. That's a nice chunk. You can see some solder here, so I'll have to cut it right down there, but that's a nice solid piece. Don't make me angry. Hulkamania. I don't even know where that thing went. Okay, so now I'm going to break this. Hope I don't get hit in the face with flying pieces. Okay. Get this thing off of here. Oh, come on. There we go. Oh, what the heck is this thing? Okay, so I don't know what these are. They kind of look like some type of fuses or something. Maybe there's 6 of them in here. Oh, there goes one. Ah, sugar. There's my file. Clearly, very shiny copper. And these plates right here are brass. There's so much welded on it, it's going to be dirty brass, but that's okay. Oh man, that one wants to come off right now. Hold the phone. You want to come off? I'll help you. Ah, there we go. Get these fuse things out of there. So there's some dirty brass, which I'll take that. Apparently my dexterity is compromised on Sunday mornings. Oh, she's really on there. Yeah, that ain't coming off. Okay. So I'll have to cut this piece. We've got another pound of copper here, I would say. Cleaning out the pipes right there. Let's see what one of them weighs. Well, 3/4 of a pound, so good. Two of these would be 1.5 pounds. So, that's 4.5 pounds of copper that I'm going to get out of this. A little dirty brass. So now, we can wrap this sucker up. Little bitty find. Please like and subscribe. This is probably a short one. Yeah, give the video a thumbs up. I would appreciate it. Bell notification, the whole thing.